Hello everybody, welcome back to Jenny's, aka the Crazy Country Couponer, and her crazy friends. Yep, this is where everybody hangs out that wants to save a ton of money. So come on in, and we're going to talk about saving you a ton of money right now, and you want to know. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, look below, hit that red subscription button, do it right now. That way you will not forget, because sometimes we get so excited and so into this that you may forget. And then you're going to miss out on our next video, because I post videos almost every day and they run like a soap opera. So you got to watch to know what's going on, even if you just listen. So, smash that red subscription button, make sure all your notifications are on, and that way you won't miss any deal, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. And everybody, same goes for you. If you are one of my crazy friends and you're here, please leave a comment and an emoji. It's super duper important, particularly in this month. This is where YouTube really looks at us. Okay? So, let's keep our channel of giving and sharing going by doing that for me and everybody else involved. Alright, guys. We talked about this deal, but evidently we didn't talk enough about this deal because people are asking me questions about it. So let's talk about it. The Starry 12 packs are on sale, 3 for $11, alright? Already a good deal. If you got a lot of kids in your house, the Starry soda, well, that's a decent soda if you're going to do soda per se. So, that being said, it's a good price. Now, what makes it even better, we have $1.50 earns on this. And you can do it up to 5 times. So yeah, up to 5 times. So if you drink a lot of this, get you 6 for $22. And put it in a scenario for Saturday, add something else to that. Okay? Because you're going to get back that $1.50 up to 5 times. That's $7.50, guys. And that's going to be coming off of your $22 purchase. $7.50. That means any day of the week that purchase of 6 of these is going to be $14.50. And if you're just doing 3 of these, then it's going to be 3 for $6.50. So, guys, I mean, you can't pass this up if you have kiddos in your house and they drink soda. Even if they don't drink this brand, well, today's the day. Now, if you're going to do this in a 5 off 25 scenario, we're going to add this Colgate product, okay? You're already at $22. We're going to add one of these Colgate products for $3.35. That is the Colgate Slim toothbrush. Or if you need mouthwash, feel free to use the mouthwash, because it's all about getting the things that you actually need. And a household always needs extra toothbrushes. I don't care if you just use them for cleaning the corners or the grout in your shower. You always need extra toothbrushes. So, this one is $3.35. You've got a $2.50 coupon coming off, and that is going to bring you to $25.35. Now, you are really, really close, to that $25 mark, and I don't like being that close. So, pick you up something to bring it up to $26. Don't care if it's a piece of candy, whatever it may be. You want to bring it up to $26. Or if you want to get something different as your filler item, because that's basically what I'm using this Colgate toothbrush for, is my filler item to bring it to that point. And that point is the $25 mark. So we are now at $25.35, as I said, and coming off, your transaction is going to be $7.50 coming off at walking out the store. Now, walking out the store with your $7.50 off, you're going to be paying $17.85 out of pocket. When you get your earns back, your out of pocket, your final out of pocket is going to be $10.35 for 6 starry 12 packs in your toothbrush. And that is a winner chicken dinner kind of deal. Okay? So you've got your daily deal with your starry, and you've got your scenario with your starry. And here's the math for your scenario and for your any day of the week starry deal. Okay, guys, stay tuned because we've gotten more. I'm going to try to get them out to you one deal at a time, maybe 2 deals at a time, because I'm trying to fit you in between working and shopping and not dropping. Yeah. So we're going to get her done. So blessings. We'll talk to you again real soon. Don't forget to leave me a comment and an emoji. Love you bunches.